Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to file company income tax return online full guide. Gather your company EIN, financial statements, and portal login before you begin. First, organize income, expenses, payroll, and contractor forms 1099 so you can enter accurate amounts. Next, reconcile bank accounts to match your profit and loss. Finally, ensure your authorized signer has access to complete e-filing and payments. Log into the tax portal and select the appropriate company form, then follow guided prompts to input revenue and expenses. Use the platform calculators for depreciation, amortization, and tax credits to reduce errors. Allocate payroll, contractor payments, and benefits to their designated boxes. Review each schedule for accuracy, and save drafts often to prevent data loss while you work through each section carefully and confidently. After completing forms, review total tax liability and compare it to prior estimated payments and credits. Select an electronic payment method and confirm bank account details or card information to schedule payment on time. Complete e-filing and wait for the portal confirmation number to appear, then download and save the official return and confirmation. Keep these records and note any follow-up notices needed for audits or amendments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.